she goes, oh my God, what are we gonna do with all of this? We got to freeze. So good, it's good stuff. Like avocado, a jar of salsa, fresh tomatoes, chocolate up onions. We laughed so hard. Oh my gosh, who was gonna eat all this? I said us. We're gonna eat it. What else is there to do? The hour's out. Sit around and eat and play cards or whatever.
I remember standing here.
Who? Oh.
I remember standing over here and I was facing that way. And we had to have all the doors open so there was no air. And then I got back and turned around and there was like a roach.
How about the size? Yeah, so when the roaches come, I'm not afraid of my shoe.
Hulu?